and extra.
Sounds of the verse.
And all of that good stuff. Nico Lindsay, aka Codename Lin, inside the building. One extra sounds of the verse. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Find me about new heat, flying it out on the airwaves, trying it out. What's the amount? If you're not taking a piss, I'm taking a pee up front. Working them out, serving them more, low key, low to the floor, working for more, silent, starting it up. Sharing dreams, but they still ideas, or cop back and pull and start lighting it up. Went school with a man who I see lighting it up, face sucked in higher for drugs. Didn't expect it being no time as a judge in this life for the pain and the slimiest love. Travels and cripples from the inside, disarming comfort with ease, self-inflict or strike. So I gotta hit this right from the soul when I spit with mic. When I bitch online, but not putting the work better fits that I'll give it a kiss goodnight. Just cause you're cold don't mean opportunities will come to you when you're sitting tight. I've seen man ride out and do the time and all these people not caring at all to come back to nothing. Can see man glamorize 10 years of pain that they never felt. I've seen man work 10 years in a job and get a box of chocolates and a bill in vouchers. Whatever road that you choose to roam, just know when you're on a note, misuse powers. You're number one, so get the thing done. Don't do it for them if they can't for you. If they don't like when you're doing well when still in your circle, then you're confused. Turn up the level, could I might slow. Got a couple new ones straight for the live show. Production live, oh, when the rhythm listeners a price over. Your East 5-0, requesting vinyl. Make a 1-2 cool slide in the DM, presenting business like slideshows. Just trying to get it right though, just for the right though. Times for the right though, bars with the right flow, flowing with ease. Took time to recite all repeating cycles. No combos about the same branded bike. If I go ghost, I'll be back in 5. I see the vision, just getting the angles right. Taking shots, no triggers pulled, but nerves touched. Raising the bar, literally word up. Underneath, but rising above. Providing a bud and they coming like dust. Array your flavors on tempos touched. Audio got you hype from the buzz. Touching it up, but not on a creepy thing. Topping up amounts, getting more for your pounds. Start with a sample, then wait for the feedback. Back in the booth, trying to make this P back. Seen a lot done a bit, man, I've been equipped. But bars that are nuts, so they started with shh. Then I had to flip, now was some codename myth. Flinging out dish, styles delish. Jealousy turns bread drinks into bitch. All for the chase, same way you gotta risk. Choosing my way, I don't wanna hear lip. If it ain't constructive, over there sit. Yeah, become better instead. Nevertheless, man, wanna push up the chest. Start getting vets, all cause of my head. I sit back and watch envy behead. Man on the block, in person bread, so I'm tasting them out for the thing they give head. Me I display, many years training, this ain't overnight, this is skill from pain. Rhythms get barn, that smooth sort of done, they appreciate the ones that are putting in work. If you're a man, please stop bitching right now, can you sound like you're shopping for skirts? Send it for me, do it properly, or my brother, you're copping a hearse with me, get lost in the verse if you lack. Sounds of the verse, Codename Lin EP out now, large up Spyro each and every, myself on the buttons.
Sounds of the verse.